Oh, you got one, didn't you?
I still see it. Right now. Lisa, really, okay? I was not going trick-or-treating with you on Friday.
Parker.
Straight up, right?
Yeah, straight up.
No.
Hey, Gavin. Let me see you in your Gavin. Let me see you in your outfit. Ta-da! Do your muscles really big. Really big. Make your muscles big and strong. You're really Mr. Incredible.
Yeah, I'm Bob now.
Here.
I'm Bob.
Bob?